Hello dear students, today we will discuss about trigonometry. Uh, Trigonometry is a study of ratio of any two sides of right angle triangle. So in a trigonometry basically we deal in a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degree. And the longest side of a triangle called hypotenuse, side which is opposite to a given angle called perpendicular, and the remaining third side called base. See in a figure there is a triangle ABC, in which the longest side AC is hypotenuse, and the angle which is given is theta, which is at point C. So the side which is opposite to angle theta is AB, which will called perpendicular, and the third remaining side will called base. So for convenience, here we will denote perpendicular by P, hypotenuse by H, and base by B. Now there are 6 trigonometric ratio, namely first one is sine theta, which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Second is cos theta, which is base upon hypotenuse, and third is tan theta, which is perpendicular upon base. And these are first 3 trigonometric ratio, and the other 3 trigonometric ratio are just reciprocal of these first 3. See there, the fourth trigonometric ratio is cosec theta, which is reciprocal of sine theta. That means cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And fifth trigonometric ratio is sec theta, which is reciprocal of cos theta. So the ratio of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, which is base upon perpendicular. So these are 6 basic trigonometric ratio, and their ratio has been given as you can see. Now for convenience we can learn this trigonometric ratio by a shortcut method, which is P B P upon H H B. PBP, that we learn this shortcut as Pandit Badri Prasad, upon HHB, that could be learned as Har Har Bhole. So the first ratio is P upon H, which is sin theta, P upon H. Second ratio is B upon H, which is cos theta, B upon H. Third ratio is P upon B, which is tan theta, P upon B. So like this we can learn first 3 ratios, sine, cos and tan. If we learn that shortcut, that PBP upon HHP, that means Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. Like this we can find first ratio is of sine, second is of cos, and third is of tan. And if we reciprocal these ratio, then we will get cosec, sec and cot.